Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new Minecraft PSP update video. And in this video we're going to be basically going over the changes that we've made in the last few days, alongside what's going to be happening this weekend, alongside what's the state of the game, alongside the media engine support. So that's a lot of alongside, but let's get straight into it. So on Wednesday there was a Minecraft PSP live stream where we did a lot of work in setting up the basis of the ME, and we were basically able to run some very simple programs on the ME written in assembly and to prove that it was going to work alongside the actual CPU. And then we spent most of the live stream actually going ahead and looking and seeing how to call C code from assembly. Now this turns out to be a lot more complicated, and on Friday we had another stream where Z2442, who is a Daedalus developer who has an extensive knowledge of the media engine and how to use it, was present, and basically it helped us set up the ME in such a way that we could call C functions from it. Now, given this, we were actually able to do that, and now we are basically left at this point where we are deciding what to do next. Obviously, given the way that the media engine is made, it's basically not going to be able to do a lot of the functions that we were expecting it to do, but it's very good at math and arithmetic and basic things like that. However, it does not really like the standard library, and it does not play very well with that. Given that that's the case, basically we're going to have to be redesigning the way that the game sort of works for the chunk management and terrain creation and setup. So instead of the single-threaded caller model, what we're going to have to be able to do is that we're going to have to basically batch up everything into a little bit of jobs, and then put those into a queue, and then make the media engine do all of those things. Now, given that that's basically an entire rewrite of all of the code that we've made so far in version 0.3 and version 0.4, that is going to be quite a big challenge when it comes to basically putting everything on the ME. Now, I think it's still possible to do this all over this weekend and to basically get the entire update ready on Monday, but I think that it's also possible that we may have a delay in the way that things are going, but it's going to be a much needed delay where once it's done, everything is going to be ready and everything is going to perform many times better and basically allow us to do whatever we want to with the rest of the game. Given the importance of this task, I'm basically going to be doing everything in my power to get it done over this weekend and on that Monday. Possibly tomorrow morning I will also be doing a live stream before I go to work and alongside after I come back from work, where I'm basically going to be doing a lot more media engine tasks, breaking everything into jobs, and making everything a lot better. I'll also be doing a few things which are going to help the state of the game a little bit more, alongside creating basically one branch of the game or one way to toggle, essentially being able to work with emulators and stuff like that, and being able to run efficiently on the PSP. Because the terrain generator will run pretty well on any emulator because the emulator has way more power than the actual PSP does. Whereas on the actual PSP, we're going to be using the ME, of course, to speed up and enhance our generation, which is not supported by most emulators. So with these challenges ahead of us, I hope that we can basically get all of them done really quickly and get through this weekend with a complete rewrite of the chunk management system and the chunk generation system. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me your thoughts in the comment section below.